Hey guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Master Renz. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Nook's Top 5 na ang pamagat ay Real Ghost Caught on Camera, Top 5 Scary Haunted Houses. Uy, haunted house. Mukhang nakakatakot at mukhang mga legit to ah. So mag-subscribe kayo dito kay Nook's Top 5. Saka syempre, mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel na Master Renz at pakiclick na yung pang bell button para lagi tayong magkasama sa panonood. So shoutout sa mga subscribers ko dyan. Thank you so much po sa inyong pagsuporta. So wag na natin patagalin to. Let's go sa go!
Top 5 ghosts caught on camera in haunted houses. Uninvited house guest.
What is it? Is it real? And what is it doing there? Alan Campbell went to the home to see for himself.
Joshua Higgins and Heather Bruff claim that their Highland, Michigan home is haunted. They say that they've heard unexplained footsteps up and down the stairs, and even an angry male voice screaming and laughing in the night. But the couple who live in the house with their 15-month-old daughter say that the frightening occurrences don't stop there.
I mean, there was even a morning that I woke up and I had felt like something was around like someone's hands were around my neck.
One night, Heather catches a glimpse of something absolutely terrifying on her daughter's nanny cam.
Uy, ayun no.
Heather immediately runs upstairs.
I freaked out. I stopped what I was doing and I ran upstairs and I grabbed my daughter.
She was horrified to find that her daughter had several mysterious scratches across her face.
Heather says this so-called ghost scratched her daughter Lily and attacked.
Makakawa yung ganito, baby. Lagi yung ano ng paka-normal na mapansin ko eh, ng mga entity, yung mga baby, mga ganyan. Sila yung pinagpapakitaan. Pero ito, pansin ko, gabi to, tignan yun dito. Ang tindi naman, gabi yung gumawa nito na entity na yun, kung ano man yun. Kawawa yung bata oh.
Her too.
It scares us that it could do something else.
The couple plans to move out of the house as soon as they can afford it. For now, they are sleeping in the same room with baby Lily every night.
Mas okay yun. Hindi na nila iniiwanan yung anak nila. Dapat yun naman talaga dapat. Ewan ko ba't ang usong-uso sa kanila yung ganyan. Iniiwan nila yung baby sa isang kwarto. Dapat hindi pa nila iniiwan. Inahayaan mo na mag-isa yun eh. Kasi baby pa nga eh.
A tale from the crypt. Now, this next video is not technically a haunted house, but maybe something a bit spookier. A haunted cemetery crypt. The poster of this video says that he was walking through the hallway of a mausoleum in a Mexico cemetery late in the afternoon when he happened upon another strange visitor near the tombs.
Y bueno, pues es un panteón relativamente nuevo, tiene alrededor de 30 años funcionando. Sí se ve algo tenebroso, pero pues supongo que así son todos los panteones. ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué es eso? Es un niño. Niño. Niño, ¿quién eres? Niño. ¿Qué diablos hace aquí un niño? ¿Quién eres, niño? ¿Qué pedo? Niño. Manche. ¿Qué
Oh, patakbo siya. Wala.
Padre nuestro que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre. Ay, güey. Ya no hay nadie. ¿Qué diablos fue eso?
Napatakbo ka eh. Hindi pa nakita ng
No
ayos.
mames, yo lo vi. Nadie me lo contó, yo lo vi. ¿Qué onda? No mames. ¿Qué onda? ¿Quién está? ¿Quién es? ¿Quién es? ¿Qué tranza?
May umiiyak ah.
Descansa en paz.
Now, there's something else that's very bizarre in this video that you might not have spotted the first time through. Watch as the guy filming approaches the area where the young boy had been standing. Did you see it?
Hindi.
The face of what looks like a boy peers from inside a sealed crypt with no door. So, what do you think? Is this a ghost caught on camera in a haunted cemetery crypt? Or simply a well-edited hoax?
Ang nahilo ko dun sa pagpaling-paling, yung paghawak niya ng camera yun. Napaling, magalaw, sakit pala sa mata nun. Nakahilo din.
You decide. Disappearing Act. The person who uploaded this video claimed that every morning he would awaken to find a particular door in his house open, even though he had closed it tight the night before. Then one day, while walking through his house, he was shocked to see what could only be described as a face staring back at him from behind the door's glass. He set up his camera to record and captured this scary video.
Ano yun? Uy! May yun nga oh! Wala. Oh, ayun ulit oh. Uy. Mas wala ka. Tapos may umiiyak na bata.
The video poster says that the sound of the crying child could not be heard when he recorded the video.
Nako.
That he only
Yun
heard the
lang.
cries after playing the video back.
Eh no, nakakatakot yun no. May mo, iyaano niya. Iyan, may lalabas na kamay, may lalabas na mukha. Tapos pag binubuksan niya yung pinto, walang tao, walang kahit sino nandun. Tapos mayroon pala siyang na-record na umiiyak na bata. Pero sa totoong buhay, sa totoo, wala talaga siyang nakinig na iyak ng bata dun. Yun ang creepy.
In the comments, some have argued that since there are doors in the small entryway, the video could be faked by someone simply slipping back into another room and hiding when the door is opened. However, that person would have to be pretty fast since the face disappears almost instantaneously.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Dapat, ang bilis naman masyado nun. Kung bawang ipipeke nila yan. Diba, lalabas yung mukha. Tapos bubuksan ka agad nung lalaki yung pinto para makita kung sino yung nakasilip sa kabilang side. Dapat makikita pa yan eh. Hindi, kung ganyan-ganyan, sobrang bilis naman ata nun. Hindi kaya dayain to para sa akin. Hindi kaya dayain.
If the video is a hoax, it would be more likely that it's done with some crafty video effects work. But what do you think? Is this a ghost playing peekaboo or just a hoax? The Puerto Montt haunting. Now, many people are familiar with the infamous Enfield haunting, which inspired the movie The Conjuring 2. The Enfield haunted house originally gained notoriety not only because of the paranormal events that took place inside the house, but also because the haunting was verified by multiple independent sources. The witnesses even included the local police.
They were even more baffled when two of their beat constables reported seeing an armchair levitate across the Hodgson's living room.
It came off the floor, or nearly a half-inch, I should say, and I saw it slide off to the right, about 3.5 to 4 feet, before it came to rest.
Well, there's actually another lesser-known haunting that has even more independent verification than the Enfield haunting. That's the haunting of this small house in Puerto Montt, Chile. The residents of this home say that they heard the strange voice of a woman screaming in the night, telling them to get out. Soon after, the bizarre transparent image of a woman began to appear in their home videos and photographs. But the story gets even weirder. A local priest was called to the home to bless the house. Allegedly, this is video footage from the priest's visit.
¡Oh, cuidado! ¡Cuidado! ¡Puto el mueble!
Matakot yung ganito.
¡Lo botó!
Grabe yun, no? Yung ganung multo, mga nagwawala, yun na nakakatakot.
But the bizarre paranormal encounters at the Portamont house didn't stop there. Late one night, the Chilean police were called to the home. The family claimed that the evil spirit in the house was, quote, lifting objects and starting small...
Ayan na, nagtawag ng pulis. So, malamang sa lamang, totoo tong kwentong to. Legit to.
Fires around the house. When the police arrived, they were shocked to find that the story was 100% true.
Totoo.
Los propietarios en este caso indicaron que había efectos paranormales en el domicilio. Claro, nosotros al ingresar al domicilio pudimos percatarnos que de forma sucesiva caían especies del entretecho. Igualmente cuando iba saliendo yo mismo de la puerta, un cuchillo color negro de aproximadamente unos 15 centímetros pasó rozándome la espalda y gracias a Dios tenía chaleco antibalas, ¿no? Por lo que no es...
Grabe oh, nung binabasa ko sa tinatranslate sa English yung sinasabi, ang sabi binato siya ng kutsilyo. Mabuti lang daw may bulletproof vest siya, kaya hindi ganun grabe yung na tama niyang injury. Oh, nakakatakot yung ganito. Saka kung fake din to, dapat walang pulis na dadating. Kasi ang pagkakala ko pag mga ganyan, pwede silang makulong eh.
Produjo alguna lesión, algo. Recientemente igualmente se pudo apreciar humo que salió de una parte del interior del domicilio. No había nadie al interior.
¿Personal de bomberos que no se ha hecho presente en el lugar?
Personal de bomberos no ha concurrido al lugar. Tenemos controlada la situación nosotros, hay baldes con agua, igualmente mangueras, pero tenemos todo controlado aquí. Además, haciendo presencia para evitar un mal mayor.
Los propietarios también obviamente lo que logramos apreciar, han sacado sus enseres, ¿no es cierto?, para evitar algún tipo de propagación, como bien menciona, pues el fuego, ¿no es cierto?, se ha estado produciendo.
Bueno, como usted pudo apreciar, hay algunos colchones que están quemados, como asimismo especies quebradas en su totalidad, como lámparas que cayeron desde el techo.
One of the policemen who was filming outside even caught actual video of what appears to be something flying across the room inside the house.
Procedimiento de rigor, ¿no es cierto?, para tomar obviamente lo que son fotografías, evidencias, ¿no es cierto?, de esta casa, fotografías, evidencias, ¿no es cierto?, de esta
Ay, ayun nga oh. Grabe yun oh.
De esta casa.
Malis na kayo dyan. Binabato na kayo ng kaldeho.
The family was removed from the residence for the night, but still live there to this day. So, what do you think? Is the Portamont haunted house all just an elaborate hoax? One actually perpetrated by not only the family, but local clergy and even the police? Or is this actual proof that ghosts and haunted houses really do exist? You decide.
Imposibleng i-hoax yun. Kaya sabi ko kanina, kung peke yun, wala sanang pulis na dumating. Kasi malamang sa malamang. Kung peke yan, napatunayan. Pwede nga, alam ko pwede mo makulong yun eh. Kung ginawang peke, kung peke nga yun, pwede sila makulong. Pero hindi eh. Base din dun sa nakita nga, may binato ng bato ng kaldero. Tapos sa salaysay ng pulis na nabato siya ng kutsilyo. Buti na lang naka-vest siya kaya hindi siya gano'ng kagabi yung tama niya. Tapos yung video doon kanina, yung may nabagsak. Diba? Yun yung mga legit nakakatakot. Mga totoo talaga.
Onlooker. YouTuber Death God 2022 says that he is not a believer in the supernatural. But after his family moved into their new house, they all began to experience strange things. One night he was watching his 2 daughters on their baby monitor and he saw this.
Merong batang multo. Tapos naiwan lang yung isang bata dun.
It almost looks like the blurry image of another small child peering over the child gate and watching his daughters play. But when he goes to check, there's nothing there. Is this a creepy child ghost caught on camera, or just a trick of the infrared light? And if so, just what is the light picking up? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see...
Ayun. Thanks for watching. Ayan, sabi ni Nooks Top 5. Grabe yung isang part dun yung sa ano, number 2. Grabe yun yung minambato ng kaldero. So yun, tapos tayo sa panonood. Subscribe kayo dito kay Nooks Top 5. Saka syempre, mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel na Master Renz. At pakiclick na yung pang bell button para lagi tayong magkasama sa panonood. Thank you so much po sa pagsama. Ingat po kayo palagi.